the UK, the weather has not been kind to us this summer, but I'm going to bring some sunshine in the form of some marinated chicken. It will be picnic weather. Let's get cooking.
To a bowl, mix together 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, the juice of a lemon, 2 crushed garlic cloves, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of corn flour. Just a few ingredients. You're then going to take 4 skinless chicken breasts and cut them into 1-inch cubes. Combine your chicken with your marinade and you're going to allow it to infuse.
Yes, I've got the Bosch Ergo Mix, which also acts as a vacuum suction vacuumer. So those flavours are going to intensify.
I'm going to vacuum it tightly and shove it into the fridge for at least 2 hours, if not overnight. Now you can either add these chicken pieces to a skewer for the barbecue, but I'm just going to chuck them into a frying pan with a little bit of oil, cooking about 10 to 12 minutes to make sure the chicken is cooked all the way through. Once cooked, you can serve it up with your favourite summer dishes.
And if you want, why not try this marinade on some veggies too? Happy summer.